In this video, we will learn how to use index function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some sales data. Index function access a specific element in a range or a list of value. So let's start how it's done. Just enter the is equal to index. Then I select the category column. I select the full column here. Here you can see 9995 row in this data. Then I just drag it and just comma. I want to see the which row have a which category. So I select here, enter here the row number to see the category mentioned on that row number. So I just enter the 700 row number and just bracket close. In 700 row, category is office supply. I enter here the nearest row number. Suppose I enter here the 7 row number. Then I edit here and enter here 7 and just enter the furniture in 7 row. Okay, this is a one way, and the second way, here I enter in only row, and the second way you can enter the row and column to get the details by using the index function. So I enter here the index function. I select the full data, then drag this and just comma, enter the row number, comma, and enter the column. Column is a product ID is selected. The number column number is a 4. So I enter here 4 and just bracket close. That's it. Here you can see the product ID is find out by using the index function. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.